Today we will learn about integration by part. Okay, integration by part is a method for evaluating integrals of the form integral fx times gx dx, which are difficult to evaluate using the other techniques. Let's see the theorem. Let u is equal to fx and v is equal to gx. It is two differentiable functions with respect to x. Then the integral u times v prime dx is equal to u times v minus integral, oh I'm so sorry, in here is have the mistakes. The correct is v times u prime dx, okay? It is times u prime dx. In this method, there are no rules for the selection of u and v prime, but generally we choose u to be a function whose degree reduces when we take its derivative. Let's see this rule. If u and v are differentiable function of x, then times v dx is equal to, by using the product rule, we can get the u times dv over dx, right? It is u, it is derivative of v is dv over dx, plus v is same, and the derivative of u is du over dx, right? And then we can times by dx all of the part, times dx, and times dx. So we can only get u times v and u times dv plus v times du, right? Because we can eliminate dx and dx in here and dx in here if we multiply by dx. And then if we take the integral of both sides, we get, so from here we take the integral, and take the integral. So we get the integrals of differentiable u times v. And let's see the property in the we learned before. If we have the integral and it is differential of uv, so we can eliminate integral and d itself. So we can only get u times v. And it is still same, integrals u times dv plus integral v times du. So we can rearrange this. We must know the integrals u times dv. In here we can take in here, and then uv is still the same, and v times du we can put in the different side. So we can get minus integral v times du. So we can arrange it again with this function. Integrals u is still same, and dv is integral. Dv is the differentiable with differentiable or still same with v prime times dx, right? And then u times v is still same, and v times du. In here we have the mistake, so sorry. V in here is v and du is u prime times dx. So the formula to solve the problem about the integration by part is integral u times v prime dx is equal to u times v minus integral v times u prime dx, okay? So, substitution method, we express the integrand as a product of two expressions such that one of them is easy to differentiate or u, and the other is easy to integrate dv. So, use the below scheme to rewrite the integral. The integral u times dv is equal to u times v minus integral v times du.
그래 여긴 섬 서로가 만든 작은 섬 Forever young 영원이란 말은